Welcome to Forestry Machines. In today's video, we will continue to explore the most modern firewood processing machines with cutting-edge technology and unique homemade machines with never-before-seen designs. From firewoods flowing like a stream to the satisfying cracking sounds of wood splitting, peak performance demonstrations are waiting for you. Are you ready? Let's start now. Wow, check out the impressive design of this log splitter. The giant cutting disc is equipped to instantly cut through logs. After cutting, the log is immediately transferred to the splitting position, and with one movement of the hydraulic piston, the job is done. This is a rather unusual design that has proven its effectiveness, as we can see. This design also ensures safety as the operator's position is far from the cutting disc. Very impressive, isn't it? Wow, throw the whole tree into this tiny machine, and in seconds the entire tree is neatly cut into small pieces. The cutting speed is incredibly impressive, powered by the strength of the tractor engine. The smart user-centered design makes operating this machine extremely simple. The mouth of the cutter is at arm level, making it very easy to feed in logs. Extremely impressive, isn't it? Splitting this giant diameter log with this small compact machine inevitably reminds me of the story of tiny David defeating the giant Goliath. Indeed, in reality, with up to 12 tons of pushing force from the hydraulic piston, this machine conquers almost any challenge. Small but powerful and amazingly effective. The intelligent design with these two splitting wedge directions will significantly increase wood splitting productivity. In the forward direction of the piston, the log will be pushed into the main splitting wedge frame to split 8 pieces in one pass. On the return stroke, a splitting wedge attached and moving with the piston will perform the second splitting pass. Quite interesting, isn't it? This is a log splitter that is not only efficient, but also beautifully designed. Every detail is neatly arranged and optimized, making the machine look extremely simple. The electric motor provides enough power for the hydraulic piston to overcome any challenge. Introducing this amazing 41-ton Venom wood splitter. Its superior power allows it to handle any log with ease. With large and difficult logs like this tree stump, conventional wood splitters would struggle to process, and many machines wouldn't have enough power to complete the job. But this machine will demonstrate its incredible capabilities. This will be an indispensable tool for challenging tasks. This is no longer ordinary wood cutting work, but has become a show. Modern machinery today has helped people a lot in all fields. And in this work of splitting and cutting wood, there have been countless machines and many unique ideas implemented. Very interesting. This classic model has split countless pieces of firewood with the continuous, unceasing motion cycle of its splitting wedge. Place the log in a fixed position, and when the razor-sharp splitting wedge moves forward, it will split the log in half in an instant. This machine has truly brought great efficiency to its owner. Splitting wood is no longer a simple task. It has become a story of productivity. It's impressive what people have done in this line of work. Wow, this is a very high-speed wood cutting machine model. A fairly large log is cut in an instant. The operator also needs to have very good skills and dexterity, as well as intense focus when operating this machine. Skipping the separate log cutting process, this special wood splitter combines both cutting and splitting into a single action, helping to reduce production costs and significantly increase work productivity. The four-sided splitting wedge performs both log cutting and wood splitting simultaneously, creating interesting cracking sounds. A day's work can provide enough firewood for the entire year. Very impressive, isn't it? Not rushed, slow, but this machine brings high reliability and accuracy to users. The log is placed in position and clamped tightly before the splitting wedge moves down to create the desired cuts. The customization of this machine is very high, allowing operators to handle a variety of different types of wood from large to small. Even logs with complex shapes can be easily processed. This is also a homemade manual log splitter, but this machine was created to take on bigger challenges. The heavier the splitting wedge, the more it can utilize gravity to act on these logs. The logs with quite large diameters are split rather easily. Two large springs serve to return the splitting wedge to its position after being pushed down to split the logs. Besides splitting wood, this will also be quite an intense physical exercise. All you need to do is place the long logs into the empty space in this rotating drum, and the logs will be successively cut into short pieces of firewood at the output. This is one of the most effective designs for this task. This is an incredibly impressive mobile wood splitting factory with a fully automated operating process. Pre-cut logs are fed into the continuous press machine, producing a steady stream of uniform wood pieces at the output end. It can process a variety of wood types such as oak, ash, beech, even Australian gum. This is the perfect choice for large-scale needs or firewood services. Introducing this impressive Japa 435 wood splitter. This is a high-performance multi-purpose machine with flexible power source from tractor or 15 kW electric motor. The patented splitting and cleaning system delivers superior efficiency. High quality, clean, and uniform output creates high value for this machine. Chopping wood has become easier than ever with this smart homemade design. The main component is a chainsaw with an intelligent mechanism that triggers the throttle when a log is placed for cutting. The wood cutting experience is extremely convenient for the operator. However, adding safety mechanisms to protect people from the saw blade would make it even better. The vertically adjustable splitting wedge allows for flexible customization, which is a major advantage of this powerful log splitter. Operated by a tractor engine, it helps handle all tasks with ease. This machine will certainly satisfy anyone who owns it. This wood splitting machine is truly impressive with its continuous motion mechanism of the splitting wedge. Efficient and simple, it turns the wood splitting process into an easy task. The operator only needs to place the log in position, and the splitting wedge will automatically move to split it in half. This process repeats, creating an efficient wood splitting production line. You'll be amazed by this peak performance wood splitting display. The incredible speed of this guy is unbelievable.
Inside an old tire.
The traditional work of chopping wood with an axe has existed since ancient times, but still retains its value to this day. This job requires both physical strength and skill from the woodcutter. Additionally, it involves constant creativity to find the most optimal way to split wood. And here, see how this talented man has come up with a brilliant solution using a car tire for this task.
And that's the gist of it. Neat little trick.
Please enjoy this satisfying wood splitting performance by this classic wood splitter. The splitting wedge is attached to a continuously rotating shaft and will split the log in half as soon as it passes through. This is a simple model, but its idea is very innovative and has proven its effectiveness, as you can see. You like the sound of the log being split, don't you? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to support us in continuing to introduce you to more interesting machines. Thank you very much. Splitting large logs like this is no longer a challenge. Constantly evolving technology has created many machine models that help us handle this task efficiently. The horizontal machine design with a large splitting wedge frame and powerful hydraulic system is an effective solution for this job. Want to see more interesting content like this? Please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to join our amazing community. See you in the next video.